Hey everyone, today let's explore the Nikon Z8, a marvel in the realm of professional full-frame mirrorless cameras. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a videographer looking to elevate your craft, this camera promises to deliver exceptional results with its cutting-edge technology and robust features. The Nikon Z8 is designed for professionals who demand uncompromising image quality and versatility. At its heart lies a full-frame sensor that excels in both still photography and video recording. With its high resolution, you can capture every detail with stunning clarity and lifelike colors, making it perfect for commercial shoots, studio work, or capturing moments in breathtaking landscapes. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z8 is its advanced autofocus system. Using a hybrid AF system with a large coverage area, it ensures precise focus even in challenging lighting conditions. This is complemented by an impressive image stabilization mechanism that minimizes camera shake, allowing you to shoot handheld with confidence, especially useful in low-light situations or when using longer lenses. When it comes to video capabilities, the Nikon Z8 shines bright. It supports high-resolution 4K video recording at various frame rates, providing flexibility in cinematic storytelling or capturing dynamic events. The camera's ability to output 10-bit video in-camera ensures rich color depth and grading flexibility in post-production, catering to the needs of videographers who require professional-grade footage. Ergonomics play a crucial role in the Nikon Z8's design. The camera body is robust yet lightweight, offering a comfortable grip for extended shooting sessions. The tilting touchscreen LCD and high-resolution electronic viewfinder EVF provide versatility in composing shots from different angles, whether you're shooting at eye level or from a low or high perspective. Navigating through the Nikon Z8's menu system is intuitive, thanks to its user-friendly interface and customizable controls. You can tailor the camera settings to suit your shooting style and preferences, enhancing efficiency and productivity during shoots. In summary, the Nikon Z8 is more than just a camera, it's a powerful tool that empowers professionals to push creative boundaries and capture moments with unparalleled precision and quality. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, weddings, or documentaries, the Nikon Z8 delivers exceptional performance across the board.